internet! Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be back because I'm finally back from the States. If you guys have followed my last couple videos, then you know that I took 2 weeks off to go to America. I visited New York for 1 week and then I went to Los Angeles. Well, not really Los Angeles, more like the Costa Mesa sort of area, because the last time I was in Los Angeles I stayed in like the Hollywood area, so I wanted to try something different, and I had such a great time. It was so good to just kind of switch off for a while and really prioritize and think about what was important to me. It was just, I think I just really needed time to do some self-reflection. Anyways, we're not here to listen to me talk about the States. We're here to watch me open Simply Gilded. So this is the Simply Gilded box that arrived. Ooh, I had it the wrong way around. Desert Dance. This is way prettier. Why didn't I flip it over the first time? Well, this is it. Way prettier. Let's get right into the unboxing. I love, everything's just so well packaged nowadays. Like, you can't even. Oops. As long as I'm not clumsy. Alright, so now we have, okay, this is the part, it's the April box. Okay, awesome. So we have this pen, which I'm pretty sure is going to be like a standard black gel pen. Yep, that I've tried out many times. And so we've got the stickers. So I think I mentioned in the last Simply Gilded unboxing video that the sticker paper has changed. It's definitely changed. It's much thinner now, and it has a little bit of that kind of like vinyl feel, but not. It's that matte vinyl sort of feel, but you can still write ballpoint on it. Like you can still use ballpoint pens, gel pens, all sorts of pens. There, oh, it's those succulents. Love it. Then we have the poke. Can you guys see that? Poke. And then we have, oh, okay, this is like little card holders you stick to the back of your journals. We've got one here, and then we have another one here. I actually think I prefer this one. This looks very nice and calming. Really reminds me, I mean, it does say Desert Rose. Really reminds me of Nevada. Yeah, it really reminds me of Nevada. Then we have this adorable little succulent or little cactus which says poke, and then you have space here to just write any messages you have. And then we have this pouch. I actually really like this pouch because it feels very clean and easy to use. I don't know if that's the term I would use, but yeah, easy to use. And inside we have 5 washi tapes. So give me 2 seconds, I'm going to open these up. Okay, I'm back. I did want to note that one thing I noticed missing, which I don't know if it's missing or just wasn't included, there's no notebook in this particular kit, so I don't know if that matters to you guys. It doesn't matter to me. So these are 5 washi tapes. This one kind of feels like sunrise over the desert with a band of rose gold. Then you have the quintessential bows. This one I think is like moons, like the different stages of the moon, which I really love this one. And then this one is your desert roses, which is beautiful. So yeah, I don't have anything like this. Every time I see these, I'm like, I don't have anything like these because these are gorgeous. So that is everything in this month's Simply Gilded unboxing video. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know which one was your favorite product. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room, and I'm so happy to be back. Back to you, internet.